Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building for Ross Wrist Watch Love. You know what I'm saying? And we got that Watch Gang unboxing. It finally came. There was a delay somewhere, but it finally came, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby, see what we got, see what's going on. The homie Blasting Game, you know what I'm saying? I'll be doing that bonus video tomorrow for Watch Gang, because he got his too. You know what I mean? So let's get into this right quick. Open him up. Alright. What we got? Okay. Okay. Let's see what's up. Come on, man. Here we go. Grant Brown. Grant Brown. Alright. Let's take him out. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Right. This is a warranty card. Grant Brown. But the watches, damn. This is pretty good. It's pretty good. I like this. And here it is. Check it out. Grant Brown in the building. In the building. Check it out. Yeah. Let me see if we got anything else in here. Alright, cool. No more information. Oh, damn. Okay, I forgot about this. Watch Gangs. They done condensed it again. They only giving out this. Okay. Alright. Like that. That's their monthly flyer. But yeah, let's take a good look at this watch. What does that say? Automatic. Okay. All stainless steel. Water resistant. Japanese movement. You know what I'm saying? Let's take it out right quick. No, this says aromatic. Okay. This is a nice piece. Let's peel that plastic off the front right quick. Come on. Is there anything? It got a dome crystal, as you can see right there. This is a genuine leather strap. Yep. You know what I mean? Let me see. What else about it? I really like this watch. I'm feeling it. Now let's do right quick. We're gonna put him on the wrist. See what's going on. But right now I'm wearing a Invicta Grand Diver. We're gonna put on this Grant Brown. Just hold on for me. There it is, people. That's how it looks on the wrist. It's kind of blinging right there. That's stainless steel, boy. This is a nice piece, though. This is a nice piece. This got to be at least 46 millimeter. You know what I'm saying? Big watch for a big guy like myself. And I'm feeling it. Once again, Watch Gang that came through. But we're going to go to their website and see if we can get any information on how much this watch costs. And we're going to see if we get the bang for the buck. Stand by. All right, people, here we go right here, right now. Here goes some of the specs of this watch. The original tire is $29.99. According to the Grant Brown's website, this is model GB9415D. Okay, and it's running about $115, which is not bad for the bang for the buck. Stainless steel case and case back, genuine distressed leather strap, stainless steel buckle, ATM water resistance, 5 ATM water resistance, Japanese movement, of course. You know what I mean? So we definitely got the bang for the buck. So we gonna rock this joint for a few days, and then we gonna do a review on it. You know what I'm saying? See what people think about it. See what you think about it. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Grant Brown, Watch Gang. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know. And it's on and popping. This your boy P. Ross, and I'm out.